How to create a landing page on LeadPages 2022 tutorial for beginners. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing day. I bring you back with yet another tutorial, and in this tutorial we're going to be discussing how you can make your very own landing page on a great software that we have on Google, and it's called LeadPages. And it's going to be very simple, very easy. I'm going to discuss the basics of what a landing page is, what it does, and then I'm going to get into how you can create it on LeadPages, and I'm going to go through all the steps. I'm going to sign you up with LeadPages. I'm going to take you through the templates, show you how to edit it and all, and it's going to be very simple, very easy, and very quick. So just relax, sit back tight, and watch this video till the end with all the instructions, and I guarantee you that by the end of this video, you're going to properly know how to create a landing page on LeadPages. So without further ado, let's first of all discuss what a landing page really is. So a landing page is basically a standout page that people use in online marketing or digital marketing. It's a standalone web page which basically, if you go here, it gives us example that it's a standalone web page created specifically for a marketing or advertising campaign. It's where a visitor lands after they click on a link in an email or ads from Google, Bing, YouTube. Basically, it's for your online or digital marketing. It's a link that you click and then you land on your landing page, which is essentially for to promote your page or promote your brand or whatever. So yeah, those are the main definitions of what a landing page is. Now let's discuss how you can create it. Now we can create it using a great software called LeadPages. Now LeadPages is a website, and you go on it through leadpages.com. So let's go on their website. Now, as you can see, this is LeadPages. LeadPages helps small businesses connect with an audience, collects leads, and closes sales. Easily build websites, landing pages, pop-ups, alert bars, and beyond. We can see that we can also create websites and pop-ups using LeadPages. Now, if we come down here, we can see all the different things it gives us. You can get it online, collect quality leads, select products and services, optimize and grow. You can come down here and see all their different features and let's say content it provides you with. You can look at all, but right now I'm just gonna get ourselves right into it. Now, obviously, there are different pricings for LeadPages, which you can check over here. As you can see, there are different prices, but don't worry, I'm going to be showing you a totally free procedure. Now for that, we're just going to come here and click on start a free trial. Now once we click on start a free trial, we're going to click on start for free. And once we click on start for free, it's going to take us over here where it says sign up for your free 14-day trial. Now, obviously, you're going to get it free for only 14 days. After that, you're going to need to buy yourself an offer or a membership. So you can either sign up with Google or any type of email you have. So I'm just going to put in mine real quick and make sure to add a password that fits in with their description. Now, once you've done that, your inbox is a sacred place, which is why we'll only send you the best of the best. And you can see the ideas and inspiration, product tips, etc. Now, if you want access to all of that, you can say sign me up, or you can just do no thanks, because that's just basically spam email. Now, once you here it's going to say you're going to basically choose whatever trial you want to run. Now, once you've done that, over here, it's going to ask you for your credit card or debit card, whatever you want to enter. And once you enter that, what it's going to do is it's going to load you up to the main page. So I'm just going to do that real quick. Now, once you've done all that, what that's going to do is it's going to log you in and sign you up and create you a great account where you can access all the different kinds of features that they have on LeadPages. Now, from there on out, you can obviously go in templates or product or whatever you want. Now, let's say you go in product, and once you go in product, you're going to go on landing pages. And once you go on landing pages, you're going to click on visit template gallery. Now, once we click on visit template galleries, here you can see that we have different landing pages, or we can also see our website templates. Now, obviously, we don't want that, so we're going to go back to landing pages. And once you're on landing pages, you can see that you can witness tons and tons of different templates over here. and they're all new and they're all so filled up, and there's a lot of features and different widgets on it, and it looks amazing. And trust me, you can use any one of these and they look amazing. They go with different types of themes and genres over here. So let's say what's the most popular template. We can see that this one, which says super basic squeeze page, you can choose this or just choose any one of these from this. Let's choose this one. To obviously select it, I'm going to first click on preview. Now, once I click on preview, I'm going to properly check how it really looks. So if I like the landing page, what I'm going to do, make sure to check it on how it's going to look on mobile too. Now, if you like what you see, if you like the template, let's click on get started. This is what you get. So if you like what you see, all you need to do is come up here and click on use this template. Now, once you click on use this template, obviously you're going to log yourself back again. So once you do that, what's going to happen is it's just going to take you to your main LeadPages Outlook page, where it's going to give you all these great features that you can edit your basic landing page with. Now, don't worry, the editing is so simple. It's just like editing any other website or template using some kind of external software like let's say Canva, or maybe say Weebly and SquareUp.com. It's a lot like those softwares, and it works great. It works wonders, and it gives you all these different designs and features that you can work around and mess around with, and you can just make your page look amazing. And you can come back here, you can change all of these templates, you can work around with all of them if you want to. It's totally upon you. And you can also search here, like for example, you want a sports type let's say landing page, you can search up your sports. If you want some type of let's say Women's Day or something, say, you can search that up. You can put in different filters. You come down here, you can see these different styles. Let's say I want a bold styled one, it's going to give me all the bold style ones. If I want a casual one, it's going to give me these casuals. If I want a colorful one, it's going to give me colorfuls. Let's say dark, it's going to give me dark ones. If you want a professional landing page for your clients or business, you can click on this. And look at that. Look at how professional and perfect it looks. So you can just obviously click on preview, go on them, and mess around with them as much as you want. Now, obviously, these are all the different templates. Now, if you want to create a template from scratch or from your own, I obviously recommend using any external software, because I don't think LeadPages right now does not allow us to make a blank template and work from that. So if you want to do that, you can just go ahead and use any other external software. Right now, obviously in LeadPage, this is all you're gonna get. And to be very honest, this is like amazing, because look at all this. So look at all these different categories that you can play around with. And obviously, let's go on websites as well. Now, those were landing pages. Now, obviously, you're gonna put a landing page on a website, or because basically a landing page is associated or integrated with a website. On a website, a link will exist, and on that link will be our landing page. So yeah, basically, even if we go on websites, we can see all these different great templates that you can play around with. You can see all these different categories. You can again go on most popular website, and you come here and you see that this is the most popular website. You can go through them, preview them, and start using them straight away as your template. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's all there is today. I hope this video was helpful to you, and I hope you properly know how to create a landing page using LeadPages. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, drop a like and subscribe to the channel. It helps me out a lot. But yeah, until then, I hope you all keep having a great day, and I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.